Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Cooking with Ciro. So today is not a sponsored video. However, shout out to my employer who will remain anonymous. They sent us a gift of Pisqueya hot sauce in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month back in September. And what better way to test and review some hot sauce than with chicken wings? Let's do it. Today's recipe is incredibly easy, almost no prep, technically no cooking, and very delicious. So why do I say technically no cooking? Well, we are baking wings. That's what we're doing. There's been some rainy weather and I don't want to grill. And besides cooking on Cooking with Ciro, there's been a lot of eating here too. So we're gonna bake them to try to avoid some of the calories that frying adds, especially since the holidays are coming up. Gotta watch your figure. So I have a packet of wings here, which I am going to prep. I'm going to separate the drum from the flat, and that'll pretty much be most of the prep. If you get a packet of wings where your flats and your drums are already separated, then that's even less prep for you. You can save this little piece if you'd like. I'm not. Some people save it and they make chicken broth out of it. I'm just gonna chunk this away. And this is pretty easy. You just have to feel around for the joint. Wherever you feel the joint, boom, there you go. You just stick the knife wherever you feel the joint, and it'll separate it. Pretty easy, nice clean cuts. So if there's excess skin, you see how this drumstick has this flab of skin, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Here's a little pro tip. If you're having a hard time finding the joint, you could always pull it and bend it back. You'll hear the joint crack out of place, okay? It'll crack and it'll separate. Once it separates, it'll be way easier to stick the knife in there. So the rest of the process is gonna be very simple. I'm going to oil this stuff lightly and then I'm gonna bake it, okay, at 450 degrees. The first 20 minutes, they're gonna lay on one side. At 20 minutes, we're gonna flip them to the other side. And the last 5 minutes, we're going to broil them, okay? And then they'll be done. Ready for step 2, and then ready for step 3, which is eat. A lot of people do not like baked wings because they say they do not get crispy. Let me tell you something, it's all in the method of baking. I'm gonna bake them at a high temperature. I am also gonna finish off the bake broiling them. Those 2 steps that I do, the high temperature and the broiler, are going to allow these to crisp up. And you see this skin, this fatty skin, it's gonna get nice and crispy. And there you have it. It's ready to go in the oven for 20 minutes. Oh, nice, look at that. All right, so 20 minutes done, let's flip them. All right, so they're all flipped. We're gonna give them another 20 minutes. All righty, so the wings are out of the broiler. Look at that, it's looking nice and crispy. All right, so I'm going to divide up the wings evenly. We got 3 different flavors. So we got 3 different bins. All right, so we have our 3 flavors of sauce. That was our smoky hot. Our next one's it's called medium buzz. Our last one's called spicy sweet. Let's sauce and toss. Look at that, y'all. Looks great. These smell great. We're about to taste them. Oh my God, and here they are. I have 2 wings of each flavor. I'm gonna give them all a taste, and then you're gonna hear about it. Wow, okay, those wings are good. The smoky hot, it's very earthy, very tomatoey with a kick. It's good. We have our medium buzz. It's your typical salsa verde. It's very good. My favorite, the sweet spicy. Wow, this is good. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's sweet and it's spicy and it's delicious, okay? I hope you like this video. I hope you consider subscribing. Go out there and get yourself some Pisqueya sauce. It's good, it's fire. They sell these little gift packets. Go out and buy yourself one for yourself or for somebody else, okay? Again, subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I drop these videos. Share this video and like this video. And guess what? If you don't like this video, I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that video.